Okay, 4 kilometer with Boss Nix. Boss Nix. Yeah. Pare, na-miss mo na agad, oh. 5 miles, 8 kilometers done. Repeat ceremony, oh. Sabay natin si Sir Nix. Okay, 7 kilometers with Sir Nix.
Thank you.
Okay, 6 kilometers with Boss Nix ulit. Nakasabay natin si Sir. Okay, barefoot running day 345 with teacher Moni. O, morning weekend session kami. Maaga, napakagandang tumakbo. Alright. Ang ganda ng sikat ng araw. Lalo na nasinagang si teacher. Ayun eh. Okay, 1 kilometer, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 29 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 88 kilocalories burn. Okay, 2 kilometers. Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 51 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 171 kilocalories burn. Alright. Okay, 3 kilometers. Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 43 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 263 kilocalories burn. Shoutout natin, isa ka lang. Shoutout kay Boss Nix! Good morning! Good morning kami! Sir, ilan na ba? 5. Sarap. Okay, 4 kilometer with Boss Nix. Boss Nix. Yeah. Pare, na-miss mo na agad, oh. Pare, malisyoso. Congratulations, ma'am. Masyado malisyoso si pare, eh. Oh, shoutout kay pare Atong. Grabe ka, ha? Okay, 5 kilometers. Sir. Oh, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 59 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 429 kilocalories burn with Sir Nix. Okay, 6 kilometers with Boss Nix ulit. Nakasabay natin si Sir at si Teacher. Pace natin ay 6 minutes and 49 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 520 kilocalories burn. Alright. Tapos nito, kain uli. Okay. 7 kilometers with Sir Nix.
Thank you.
Teacher. Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 36 seconds.
Ka na ba?
Calories burn natin. 600 kilocalories burn. Okay, 8 miles or 5 miles, 8 kilometers done. Repeat ceremony. Sabay natin si Sir Nix. Ang pace natin huli is 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Overall pace natin ay 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Ang oras natin, 55 minutes ulit. Nakakalimutan ko na yan. Basta calories burn, 600 plus. Okay, magkukulo na kami. Sinubukan namin weekend. Alright. Teacher, pang-apat na ba? Pangatlo. Pang-apat na 8 miles. 5 miles. Whew.